Hello everyone. So today we are going to see how we can apply dark theme to our React application using Material UI. So here is the basic setup. I'm not going to explain how we can create this setup using Vite, but you can see here is my folder which I have made using Vite, and we are in app.jsx. So we are going to see how we can apply dark theme to it. For this, we have two things which Material UI give to us. One is a utility called create theme, and second one is the component theme provider. So basically, it is a utility given us by Material UI to create themes, and this is the component which apply the theme created by this create theme utility function. So let's see how we can do this in this React application. It is a simple React application where I have to create a nav bar and nothing else, and a switch. Here it has a switch which can toggle, and let's see, it is toggling, and we are going to connect this with our theme with a function which will toggle our theme, so that we can switch on and switch off the dark theme from here. So let's see. So for that, we have to first import the two things from Material UI library. One is create theme and other is theme provider, and I'm going to import it. So they are basically in the style directory of material folder of Material UI. So let's go ahead. So basically, this is the box containing the nav bar, and here we have a app bar under which we have a menu icon, then home, and it's all about it's all the thing which is here, and we have a switch. Okay. So first of all, we are going to create our tag theme. Also, one more thing we need is a component paper. So basically, the theme will provide us the background color, but we have to use a paper component and wrap our whole application in it, so that we can see the changes. So I'm also importing the paper component here. Okay. Now let's create a theme using our create theme utility function given to us by MUI. Let's name it a theme, and here let's take a object related to theme, under which we have a object called palette, and palette is related to the color schema of the theme which we are going to create. So and under it Material UI give us some predefined themes like light and dark, and we can call them using mode. So I'm making it first of all I'm doing it statically, means and later we will connect our switch to this mode, so that we can toggle it whenever we click on it. Okay, so we have created a theme. Now we want to apply this theme to the whole application. For that, we will have to use theme provider component. So I am wrapping this whole application using theme provider, and here I am going to provide theme which we have created. So theme equal the theme that we have created here, and here we have to close that tag theme provider. So you can see that only this navbar have changed, but not our whole application. For that, we will provide we will wrap this component using paper element. And a little bit of styling we will give to paper, like we will provide it a height of 100 VH. So see, paper is a component which is wrapping the whole element. If we provide 50, then we can see that only half of our web is the dark mode now. So it is like a cover we have provided to our application, and it has to be 100% of it. So we are doing 100 VH. Okay. So here it is. We have done our basic setup of dark theme, and it is the static. But we want to do something more. We want this component. Whenever we click this switch, we want to change to dark mode or light mode accordingly. So for that, we can do one thing. We can create, first of all, we can create a variable or a state using use state function or hook provided by React. Let's say we have a mode variable which we are creating using use state. Set mode. And initially it would be light. Okay. And now we can provide this mode to our palette so that whatever is the current value of mode, the theme will switch accordingly. Okay. So currently it is dark light, but if I change it to dark, you can see it, our application changed the theme. So it is working up till now. Now we have to make a way such that we can toggle this mode and mode variable and connect this mode variable to our switch component. For that, first of all, I will make a toggle function. So here it is. So it is a function which will be evoked whenever the switch component is clicked, and based on that, if the switch is checked, then it will be dark mode. Otherwise, it will toggle to light mode. And now we are going to, and this will then set the mode using set mode function. Now we have to give that set mode function to our switch so that whenever it is clicked, it toggles our theme. For that, we can set the attribute of switch on change. And provide the function name to it. Okay. So I think it will work now. Let's see. Yes, it is working fine. So let's wrap up what we have done here up till now. So first of all, we have for making our dark theme, we need three major things for that. First one is create theme. It is a utility function provided us by MUI team to create different kind of thing. Then there is theme provider and paper. Paper is like a cover which will change its color according to the theme which is provided by the theme provider, and that theme we have created using create theme. Okay, so here we have created a theme using create theme method, and here we have passed the mode. The mode is the variable which we have created using use state hook we given us by the React theme. And also we have created a function, a toggle function that will toggle the mode from dark to light whenever our switch is clicked here. And then to provide that theme, we need to our application, we need two things. First of all, theme provider. Theme provider is the component which will apply the whole theme to all the child component wrapped under it. But we also need paper to apply that to our whole project. That's okay. And lastly, we have connected our switch with our toggle function. Whenever we will click on the switch, it will call this method, and then our mode will change, and accordingly our theme will change. So this was it. Hope you have understand what I was trying to say, and thanks for viewing up till now. Let's see it working one last time.